On your podcast, you said to the chef there, what is your last dish? Like the dish, what would be yours, you think?
I mean,
The kung fritter when it comes?
I think I was Asian in another life, or Chinese, or Japanese, or because I love rice,
Wow.
and I love paella, and I love bat,
Uh-oh,
I love rice.
I think I've stumped you.
and I love kank. And one of the dishes I do, which is not very traditional when I go to Mackenzie's, is they have this kind of rice with beans and everything, which they serve as a side dish. They call it. But then what I do is I ask for extra portion of fresh conch, and I put it on top of the rice, and I eat the rice with the fresh conch, and you're like, oh my God. So right now you ask me, I will have that rice with the raw conch with a fried egg on top. Hello.